Hello guys, how are you doing? Thank you so much for clicking. So in today's video I'm going to review this beautiful wig, and I just want you to comment down below if you love this color. So this wig has two combs on the sides, one at the back, and also it has an adjustable strap. So guys, if you're interested in this wig, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I'll send it to you. What I always do with this type of wigs, this is not human hair, so let's just spray some water because I don't like when my wigs are too shiny. So I'm going to just spray some water on it and then brush it, and then later on I'll apply Ludois. I really love Ludois on my wigs because it also doesn't make the wigs shine too much.
Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began. Just start again.
I'll cut the lace and try this wig on and show you different ways to style this wig. So as I told you in my previous videos, I don't always cut the lace of my wigs when the wig is on my head. So I'm going to cut it like this. And then also with this wig, you can do the baby hair if you want to. I really didn't want to do the baby hair, but as you can see, it also has some baby hair. So you can just trim them to your preferred length. So also I'm not going to sew a band on this wig. I'm just going to use the adjustable strap that is on the cap. And then what I always do, because I don't want to sew an elastic band on the wig, I always like crisscross the straps as you've seen. And then so when you do this, like the wig is just going to fit and without like using the band. This is the oil that I'm going to apply, Ludois. It kind of just makes the hair softer and without making it shiny. I'm going to put this hair in different styles, and I just want you to comment down below if you love this color on me, and also if you love the styles and the shape as well. This is how the closure looks. As you can see, it looks so natural.
Until you break down.
And this is how it looks at the back. So guys, just leave your honest opinion in the comment section down below about the color, about the style, and also how it looks on me. that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you love this color and the shape of this wig. So if you're interested in this wig, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below, so you can contact me and I will make it for you. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.
Down to the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't think right. I love the bird below you. Tell myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself free out on the ground. I know the truth. I know the truth. I'm shaking now, 'cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't think right.